Hello everyone, Namaste. Myself Dr. Deepthi G. Warrior from Shankara Kripa Arogya Niketanam, Chunakara, Kerala, India. Today we'll discuss about urinary tract infections, that is UTI. I know everybody will be familiar with this word, urinary tract infections. But unfortunately this is the most neglected topic even. So let's move on to various types of urinary tract infections. There are three main types of urinary tract infection. First is pyelonephritis, that is inflammation to kidney. Second is cystitis, that is inflammation to urinary bladder. And third is urethritis, that is inflammation to urethra. So what are the causes of urinary tract infections? Normally, in India, women are more prone to urinary tract infection than men. 1 of every 2 women are prone to urinary tract infections and 1 of every 2 men are prone to urinary tract infections. So why it is common in women? There are 3 main causes why women are more prone to urinary tract infection. First is normally the female urethra and anus are very close to each other, so bacteria can easily pass from urethra to anus and anus to urethra. Second is in menopausal women normally the hormone named estrogen declines hugely, so the vaginal flora is lost and the bacteria get easily affected to menopausal women. Third is some birth control measures like diaphragm, Copperty, etc., where foreign bodies induced to the women in the female body, and so bacteria gets easily affected. The other causes are some systemic diseases like diabetes mellitus, etc., and various diseases that reduces the immunity of the body causes urinary tract infections. Next we'll move on to the signs and symptoms of urinary tract infections. So generally urinary tract infections, this main sign is burning and pain while passing urine. But as we discussed earlier, depending upon the types of urinary tract infection, we will discuss the symptoms. First is pyelonephritis, that is inflammation to kidney. So when you have infection to kidney, the symptoms are, first definitely you will have fever with chills. Second, nausea and vomiting. Third, vigorous pain in the lower area, that is groin area and back area, with difficulty in voiding urine. Second is cystitis, second type of urinary tract infection is cystitis, that is inflammation to urinary bladder. Here you feel that there is your urinary bladder is filled with urine. There is intense urge to pass urine, but when you go to toilet, you will be unable to pass urine. You pass hardly few drops, around 2 to 3 drops of urine. So that is more irritable and with lots of pain in the groin region and lumbar region. Third most commonly seen is urethritis. As you all know, urethra is mostly exposed outside, so there is lot of moisture and bacteria gets easily affected there. So you have intense burning while passing urine with pain. You have pus discharge while passing urine. You may have smoky pungent odor while passing urine, because in females who suffer from leukorrhea, that is white discharge, normally bacteria gets easily affected and you have some smoky or pungent odor while passing urine. So these are some of the signs and symptoms of urinary tract infection. Next we'll move on to some of the preventions, how to prevent the urinary tract infection. The only way to prevent the urinary tract infection is drink lots of water. You at least around 2 to 3 liters of water a day is preferable. So, and you can have some unsweetened cranberry juice, which is also proved to be successful for treating UTI. And if you have severe urinary infection, definitely you have to consult a physician and have some medicines. So these are some of the urinary tract infections and its various aspects. In the upcoming videos, we'll go more details towards other diseases and other aspects of the diseases. Till then, thank you. Bye. Take care and stay healthy.